In the silence, a shadow falls. A life once full, now fragile walls. Cancer's grip, a heart does break, leaving loved ones memories to make.
Mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters too, taken too soon, their stories untrue, leaving children, spouses, friends behind, a pain that lingers, a heart that's left to unwind.
Diagnosis delivered like a sentence code. Hopes and dreams lost growing old.
Though cancer's darkness, it steals our life, leaves us with nothing but endless nights, shattered dreams and broken hearts. A world without them will never be whole again. From the start,
A mother's smile,
a father's smile,
a father's gone,
brother's guidance
a
gone,
brother's laughter,
sister's song,
family's torn,
leaves forever changed.
the ache of loss,
Ours, our hearts rearranged,
treatments told,
body worn,
fighting for life.
but hope is born.
Oh, cancer's darkness, it steals our light, leaves us with
Nothing but endless nights, shattered dreams and broken hearts. A world without them will never be whole again. From the start,
In the silence, we search for a cure, a beacon of hope, a life to endure. For every life lost, we'll find a way to fight, to heal, to live another day. Shadows of loss will rise above. United we stand, a world full of love.
oh, cancer's darkness just steals our love, leaves us with nothing but endless nights, shattered dreams and broken hearts.
And broken hearts.
A world without them will never be whole again. From
In the silence, a shadow falls. A life once full, now fragile walls. Cancer's grip, a heart does break, leaving loved ones memories to make.